Today I'm going to show you how I use the Ken Onion Elite Sharpener to sharpen kitchen shears. These are a pair of Farberware Kitchen Shears. They do have a beveled edge on both sides, and you can use this machine to sharpen these, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing I like to do is I want to black out the factory edge so I can see where I'm actually sharpening. So here we go. We're going to do that first, and we're going to start it. And this is a worn 120 Cubitron belt. And what you want to do is you just want to mimic that edge. So we're going to do a first pass. And I already got a little burr on that, but I'm going to go a little better edge. Looks pretty good. Do another pass. So that edge is done. A little bit more angle. So we got it, and I feel a little burr on that. So then I'm going to go to another belt. I'm going to go to a 400 belt, and that's where I'm going to stop because I want it kind of grippy when it's all said and done. Like that. Done. And so spread them apart, remove the burr. And what I like to do is take a little piece of leather and remove the burr on that. And so those are sharp, and we're going to test them here. I'm going to test them on a piece of cloth just to see how they cut those, and they cut really well. And then I'm going to take a piece of paper towel, because these are kitchen shears. These are designed to cut bone and stuff like that. I don't have any bone, but that feels pretty good. So that's how I sharpened them on the workshop.